You are more than what I dreamed of, and you have given me so much happiness, peace, and love. No word will be enough to express how much I love you. I love you so much is all I can come up with, because my love for you is verbally indescribable. Thanks for being the best thing that has ever happened to me, and thanks for everything you can imagine. I love you beyond words. My copy cake, please not. Morning, honey. Good morning. I hope everyone is fine. Hello, honey. How are you doing today? My love, I took this special photo for you. Honey, text me to thank me, honey. Message me on Telegram. I was waiting the night to see the moon. It did not appear, so I called the sky to ask where the moon is. It told me the moon is ready. Your SMS. Good night and sweet dreams time can heal the wounds of life, but it cannot heal the swell in my life. You had an important role. I am so missing you today. I am so thinking about you. Please come back to me.